My story, huh? Take a ride.
Come on, everything is a-okay when you're riding with Jay.
So this was a while back. I'm sorry guys, I didn't record, but so I pulled in here, came this way. There's a spot over there, but there's a huge pothole where that cone is. So then I pulled out onto the road, and then I backed in this way, backed in like this, and then backed into this hole with these cars here, dude. I don't know how I did that because that's all the room that's up there, but I backed in just like that, blindsided it in. We gotta slide the tandems to the rear. Sometimes I impress myself. I don't really want to close that. The guys were like inside, I think they're working. It's like some burger joint. They were like staring hard. They thought I was gonna hit their cars, but nope. I'm riding with Jay, but we're dropping this trailer, so that's fun. I don't think that's gonna reach. I kind of want to try this place though. I don't know why. I like trying like little places like that. See if we can just slide it. There you go. I'm not sure how far back we can go here. Definitely can't go all the way back. That's about it. Almost bed. All right, so now we need to go to the other lot to pick up our other preloaded trailer. I'm honestly impressed with my backing skills there. I don't know, man, that was ridiculous. I mean, I probably just set it up right because it was so easy. I didn't think it was gonna be that easy. This place seems super weird though. I was like seeing pictures online and it looks like you go inside the building and then it's like a cave. Like they built around the docks. So you gotta like back inside while being inside. I don't really understand, but we're gonna go grab that empty, or I don't know, I keep saying empty, preloaded trailer. This is like the first time I've had this, but there's like no guard. So basically there's just a seal on the back. I break the seal and then I get the paperwork out, and then there should be another seal for me to seal it back up. Is how that's supposed to work, so we'll see how it goes. We just weighed out. That was a really crappy scale though. Every time like you go over it, it's like old, dude. So like the concrete shakes and bangs and makes a lot of noise, but we're getting pretty good at this weigh stuff. I already knew I needed to be back some holes, but I went ahead and just weighed all the way up, and I was like 35 on my trailer. So I went back like 6 holes. And now we're like 33.2 on the drives and 33.6 on the trailer axle, so it's legal. So I haven't ate yet. It's already noon. I'm getting kind of hungry, but I've been really trying to stop at the, like, I don't know what they call them here in New York, but they're like little rest areas, I guess. But they got like Chick-fil-A in them, and I haven't had Chick-fil-A in like a fat minute, so I'm trying to find one that has Chick-fil-A. But if this next one doesn't have it, I just have to stop there because I don't think there's very many left in New York. So I'm hoping I can make it there and get Chick-fil-A. But they also have like Smash Burger, I think it's called. Nah, it's not. Maybe it's Smash Burger, I'm not sure. But they also got like one of them. So Chick-fil-A or Smash Burger is fine with me. I'd prefer Chick-fil-A just because it's less calories, but I'll do a good burger that's not McDonald's. So, or Burger King. But we're gonna get back on westbound 90, and then we're gonna get over into Ohio, cut down south on 65 or 50, nah, 65. So another hour has gone by, and there was no rest areas that had restaurants, and it's 2:40 in the afternoon here Eastern time, and I'm hungry, so we're gonna park at this Love's and go in, probably do a 30-minute break. That way we can just drive on to wherever we want to stop for the night. I gotta drive at least another 3 hours, so I'd say I gotta drive at least another 4, maybe another 5, because I need to be under 600 miles to my delivery for Wednesday morning. So I mean, I guess I don't really need to be, but I prefer to be. So we're gonna get a parking spot here, probably do a 30-minute break, get in, have some food, and then we'll be trucking along again for like another 5-6 hours. which isn't bad. I mean, knock it out really fast, be done for the day. Oh my gosh, are those all spots on that backside? There's a lot of parking at this Love's. I was gonna try to go down and around, but... Oh, is this guy parking or what? Must be. See if we can find something here. Honestly, we should just go to the backside. It'd be a lot easier to park. Yeah. Unless there's something here. Oh shoot, that's where I needed to turn. Alright. Just gonna do this. Make a big U-turn because I know I can't make that left. Now I'll go down here. I'm a smooth operator. Just go all the way down here. Park next to this flatbed or whatever. Slide it over just a little bit more here. Let's go mirror to mirror with this guy, even though he's sticking out a little bit. I don't want to bump. I mean, that's probably good there. So we're gonna go off duty. So I can't remember. Is it, I think, I'm not sure. I'm trying to think. It's either Iron Skillet or Country Pride that has, they like introduced these new smash burgers, and I was kind of wanting to try them, but I think it's Iron Skillet if I'm gonna be honest. That's okay though. And Popeyes is, apparently they close at 7, so that's not gonna happen because it's already 8 o'clock. So, but there should be parking at this TA here, so we're gonna try to find something that's not reserved because I'm tired of paying for parking, dude. That is so annoying. Is there 2 Popeyes in this TA? The Popeyes on both ends. There's a KFC across the street. See if we can find any parking over here. I don't think I've ever stopped at this TA. Not once. Oh, these must be the free ones. I don't care if I park in the back row or not. It doesn't matter to me. I just hope, because TA's gotten to the point where like everything's reserved, and I think that's absurd. Oh my goodness, bro. Stupid. Literally so stupid. I mean, I guess. I mean, there's money to be made. Might as well make it, right? I'm just not gonna pay for reserved. I don't think I'm gonna have a choice. This is so stupid, bro. I think I saw one back here, but I don't know if I can even get into it, so. It's just someone didn't beat me to it already. Huh. There's not a single spot here. Oh, there's one. Maybe. There's one. I'm facing the wrong way for it. think I saw one like here or something, right? Oh, that's not a parking spot. Alright, well, we're gonna have to make a U-turn if we want to try to get one of those. Should be enough room here, I think. Right? You know what? We're just gonna do this. This is gonna be fun though, I'll tell you that right now. I barely clear that with that guy there.
In 1/2 mile, turn left on I-71 south.
Oh, let's get over. Let's just hog it. Let's make it hard for me. I don't know how easy this is gonna be, but we're gonna give it a go. Oh, maybe those aren't even open. I didn't even really look at them. There's probably a good chance they're not even open. Probably the light poles. We're probably gonna have to do a couple get out and looks. There we go. The other side of this black Volvo. Oh shit. Sometimes I impress myself. Sometimes I really do impress myself. What is that? What is that? Alright, this is what we're gonna have to do though. We gotta pull up to the right. We're kind of close. Sometimes I really do impress myself. I'm not gonna lie. Anyways, guys, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe for future content. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Come on, everything is a-okay when you're riding with Jay. Keep those wheels turning and we do this every day. Backing up a trailer, look at all the roads I've driven. Come and ride with me, yeah, let me show you how I'm living. Come on.